You know, when I put this steering wheel in, I did it because I was, of course, cheap. I wanted that TRD Nardigara 3 that Kishi Tsuchiya would always roll around in. I could never afford that, so I made a cheap version. You know what? It worked out great, with a few little issues. First being the horn would only work going straight. The turn signal thing would never return, which going into that I kind of knew that. But the one thing that annoyed me more than anything was this leather surround. I had this made professionally to fit this steering wheel, but as you can see, it doesn't fit all that well. These two seams are supposed to be really close to each other, and they're not even close. I spent some serious money on trying to get this to look good, and it just looks like crap. So, without further ado, 225 Torx bits. We're going to get rid of this thing. I've already scribed the mark, if you can see it, where straight up is. So I'll be able to mess with this a little bit to try to pull that steering wheel off. There it is. I know why the horn never really works. That just slipped right on. I just gotta go a little bit tighter than hand tight, not by much. Here we go.